Waste of space is like escaping North Korea by single-handedly causing climate change and starting an oil company to build a spaceship, but your only means of doing so is with the drag tool from work at a pizza place and an IQ below body temperature. Yup, it's peak. Okay, but like, how do you play the game, you might be asking, but let's be real, you're probably not. Well, first you spawn into a starter planet that looks pretty from the menu and spawn into actual hell. Assuming you played the tutorial, go find an iron, copper, coal, and mountain node in close proximity for a good base spot. Then, go mine iron to make an extractor. Extractors mine things automatically and put yummy pollutants into the atmosphere. Then mine copper and go to your crafting menu, build wires, and build coal burners with those wires and the iron you mined. Make sure you lock these parts so they don't despawn or get yoinked. Then get more iron and make a bin for storage, put the extractor on the coal node and put the bin on the black spot assuming you placed it right. Then get like 4 or 5 coal burners and put them on the bin, connect them all to the extractor and you have power generation. Well, not quite. You need power storage. For this, you will need a power cell, but you will see, it needs sulfur. This is where mountain nodes come in. Mountains have many different materials in them, including sulfur. Just mine until you get it. Beware of helium because if you mine too close you will inhale it and take damage, and piled up flint can ignite oil and sulfur. Then automate iron and copper, you should know how to by now. Extractor, bin, power. Then automate the mountain resources, sulfur, silicon, quartz, ruby, and flint if you really feel like it. Now it's time for assemblers, make some gears and wires, and start auto-crafting wires and pipes. Trust me, pipes will be important. By this point, Factorio players are probably foaming at the mouth and typing "the factory must grow" in the comments, assuming this video gets any traction whatsoever. And indeed, it must expand. But remember, starter planets are hell and everybody else on this rock is out to hijack your factory. But I'm too lazy to write more script, so just follow this turret guide on screen. Our goal is to make a ship capable of getting you out of the starter world and getting to a planet nicer, but first we will need an ion thruster for basic propulsion. Start with an iron floor, make it spacious. We will also need, and get ready, a hyperdrive, VLC, power cells, and air supply, a telescope, star map, wires, trigger wires, button, polysilicon, a cooler or 2, solar panels, and optionally some guns, a gravity generator, and some other features of your choosing. Now you could grind for the materials needed, but this is a factory building automation game, and manual labor is gay. Now I would go more in depth, but I'm getting bored of video making. So thus concludes the waste of space introduction. Now this is the part of the video where I beg you for likes and subs, and the bell thing or whatever. So like, do it now. I know where you live.